Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you the easy step by step how to create a menu, a good looking menu for your website so that your website will look very professional. So let me show you how to do that in this video. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your, as you can see right here, there is no menu here. This website looks shabby, so it's not professional. So let's make it more professional right there. Just build the website. So let's add some menu. And we also want to add some menu at the bottom here. Okay, so let's get down to it. So the first thing you want to go to your dashboard here. And you want to add some pages to it. You want to create some pages first. So let's add pages here. So I want to add, I already have about blog, contact, privacy policy, simple text. So let's say I want to also add some disclaimer here. Affiliate policy. So let's publish that. So let's look at all the pages here. So now that we've created all our pages here, so let's set up our menu. We want all our pages and posts to be at the menu so that users can easily get into them. So let's do it. So you want to go to our menu right here at the appearance. You want to go to menus. So right here, you want to create menu. So you want to call it main menu. You can call it any name you like. You can call it menu, you can call it my menu, you can call it menu 1, you can call it menu 2, you can call it home menu. I want to call this main menu. So now we've created the name of our menu. Now let's add our pages to it here. So you want to go to pages here, you can choose pages. You can choose pages, you can choose post. Here is pages, here is post, here is custom link and category. So you can add all this to your menu. You can add post to your menu. You can add your custom link. You can add categories. So let's add some posts to our menu here. So our pages to our menu here. So let's choose affiliate policy, about, contact, blog, simple page also. And when you finish, you click add to menu. So now all are in your menu. All your pages are in your menu now, right now. So let's say I want to remove this one here. You click remove down here, and this will remove that because I've already have the home page here, so I don't need to add it anymore. So let's say I want this one right here to be at the top. So just drag it here and drop it there. Let's say I want this about to be, I want contact to be under the about. So let's drag it here. Okay. So you want to make it primary menu. When you finish with your menu, when you finish creating your menu, so you want to make it primary menu. So this one will be your primary menu. When you tick this, it will be your primary menu. So let's click save. So now that we've saved our menu, let's go and check how it looks like in real life. As you can see, our menu looks great here. So the contact is showing under the about. So everything look great and more professional than ever before. So let's say I want to also add I want to add a menu to the footer. So let's create the footer menu. So let's go back to the menu bar again. Let's go back to the menus. So now you want to create another menu. So you go to this place here, create a new menu. You click that. So you want to name your menu. You can name it, let's name it footer menu. You can give it any name that you like. I just name it footer menu. You can name it menu footer or menu. Okay. So that is it. Now you want to add stuff here. Okay. When you write the name of your menu, when you name your menu, so you want to click create menu down here. Then you want to add stuff here. So you want to add this page. I want to add affiliate policy. I want to add about. I want to add contact. I also want to add blog. So let's hit add to menu. So we've added it to the menu, as you can see right here. Okay. So now that we've created this menu right here, we can now hit save. Okay. As you can see, it has been saved. Now you want to make it to be under at the footer. So you want to go to widget to put it to the footer. I want to go to widget. Widget will help us insert it to the footer. So let's see how you can do that at the widget side, footer area. So at the footer, you want to add you want to write nav. So right there, yeah, you want to choose your menu, footer menu. Okay, and that is it. Right now, the menu has been added to the footer. So now let's update it. So now let's go and see how it looks like now, right now. So we have our menu right at the top. Then also at the bottom, at the footer side. So guys, that's how you add menus to your website. Drop me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you like and what you don't like about this video. Subscribe to this channel and you get more helpful videos like this to help you grow your website. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.